Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to check your Amazon Prime Video watch history using your laptop. If you want to see what you've recently watched or review your viewing activity, I'll show you where to look. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Prime Video website. Make sure you're signed into the Amazon account you use for Prime Video. Once you're signed in, open the Prime Video menu and look through the available account or profile options. Keep in mind that Amazon's current Prime Video interface may not provide a simple, dedicated watch history page for every account or region. If you don't see a watch history option, you can check your Prime Video homepage and look through Continue Watching to find titles you've recently started watching. You can also use the search and browsing features to locate a movie or show you remember watching. If you're trying to manage what appears in your recommendations, remember that Prime Video uses your viewing activity to personalize the experience. The exact options available can vary depending on your country, account, profile, device, and current Prime Video website layout. Amazon's current help pages also organize Prime Video settings and account features differently depending on the device being used. So, if you don't see a dedicated watch history menu on your laptop, don't worry. The option may simply not be available in your current Prime Video interface. And that's how to check your Prime Video viewing activity. Start by signing in, checking your Prime Video profile and Continue Watching section, and looking through the available account settings. Thank you for watching. If this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more Amazon guides. See you in the next video.